me, about to enter your 30s, or maybe you're in your late 20s, you need financial goals, and I'm here to help you. These are my 5 financial goals that I want to reach before 30 or entering into my 30s. Open a high yield savings account. Now, a high yield savings account is an account that really helps you save with a high interest. And I need somewhere to put my money, somewhere to start my emergency fund, or really somewhere that I can put my money and have the money grow, because that 0.0% in your regular savings account isn't going to help you. It's not growing. It's not going to go anywhere. Earning what, $1, $2 a month versus 4%, 5% is what I want to get into and is what I want to maintain, just to have some savings and just to have my savings grow without me having to do anything. High yield savings accounts have between 4 all the way up to above 5% APY. And I'm going to open one and make another video on this, so stay tuned on which one I choose, or maybe even my top 5. Number 2, I want to open a brokerage account. Now, a brokerage account is the key to wealth building. It's a great place to purchase your stocks, bonds, mutual funds, EFTs, and have that money grow for you without you thinking about it, without you doing anything. I definitely want to look into which ones work for me, understand the whole brokerage account world, because I'm getting older and that money needs to sit there and grow for me. I want to really explore my money growing for me long term, so when I'm 50, 60 and above, I have that money that's been growing in those brokerage accounts since I'm 30. Number 3, start understanding Roth IRAs. Now, Roth IRAs are a great place to really put some retirement money away. I think it'll be a great place to store my money for retirement. It's tax-free. I want to learn more about Roth IRAs because they do have a limit on how much you can contribute each year. Start understanding home ownership. Now, home ownership is one of my goals in the very near future, and I want to learn everything about it, from the mortgage process, from the deeds, the titles, inspections, the best date to buy a home, state taxes. I think home ownership is so daunting and seems so complicated, and I don't really have a lot of people around me who will teach me, who will help me, and all those things. And a lot of times when you ask other people, they'll tell you based on their experience, right? So I definitely want to learn more about it. I actually just signed up for a first-time home buyers class, and I'll make a video about it, about everything that I'm going to learn. It's gonna be exciting. It's gonna be good tea, so stay tuned. Start understanding business structure. Now, I own a small business, 724, which is an activewear brand, and I really want to learn business structure from LLC or an S corp or things of that nature to be able to structure my business right from the get-go. I want to protect not only myself but also my business for all my future goals for 724. So I really want to learn more about business structure, the benefits, the tax benefits, because I want to lay that foundation in the beginning so I don't run into a lot of legal trouble in the future. Those are my 5 financial goals that I am working on right now, that I want to enter my 30s really getting a good handle and understanding on. And I will continue making videos on all my financial strides, my financial literacy, because I think it's really, really important, even if you didn't come from a background of financial literacy such as I am a first-time college graduate. Everything that I am learning right now, I'm learning for the very first time, and I love acquiring knowledge, so I will make more videos on all my goals, financial goals, and the things that I'm just doing to help elevate not only myself, my mindset, but really truly help me ascend into becoming the best version of myself. So if you like this video, like, comment, and share, and best of all, subscribe so I can bring more goals to you. Thanks, bye.